Okay, so Fedora 13 is now running from the USB, and I'm very happy to report that it has picked up on my NIC card. Fedora 12 had a lot of trouble with this. I don't know why, but I am now running on. It picked up my wireless. It sees the wireless, and it already picked up the wired network as well. All right, so I'm going to cut straight to the chase and install to hard drive. Sorry, it's my little iPhone. It's not focusing. Okay, installed a hard drive. I double-clicked it. USB is flashing. Hopefully that means it'll get started. Okay, Fedora 13. Click Next. US English, yes. Okay, basic storage device. Click Next. Okay, please select you'd like to install the operating system on. Alright, so I'm going to install it on my hard drive, not my USB drive. And I'm not going to install it on that. It's not taking it though. Alright, let's try again. I don't want the Kingston installed. Huh. It won't allow me to remove it. I'm clicking on it, but it won't allow me to remove that option. Alright, well, so be it. Finding storage devices. Yeah, local host, local domain, that's fine. Next. New York, that's fine. Root password. So I've got a root password. And one more time. Next. Okay, use all space. Okay. This one. Install target devices. Okay, that's the target device. Alright, so I'm going to ignore the Kingston and go with the hard drive. Click Next. Write changes to disk. Okay, it's creating the ext4. Now I'm hoping, because the boot for Fedora 13 requires 500 megs, I'm hoping that it's smart enough to figure that out on the install. Alright, I'm going to let it go, and we'll get back to this later.